Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to demonstrate a very simple yet powerful AI tool called Napkin AI. As teachers, we often explain concepts using text, but students understand much better when ideas are shown visually. Napkin AI helps us convert plain text into diagrams, flowcharts, and visual summaries automatically. Next, I will show you 5 practical use cases where Napkin AI can be effectively used in the teaching and learning. So let us start with the first use case, how to convert the text into the conceptual diagrams. Suppose I want to explain the concept of cloud computing to the students. I will simply paste a simple sentence: cloud computing consists of IaaS, EaaS, and SaaS, delivered over the internet. Now, once you will type the text, you will get the icon on the left hand side of the napkin AI. We can click on this. Now, you can observe what Napkin AI is doing. It automatically converts this text into a concept diagram showing cloud computing at the center and different branches of the cloud computing. So you can see here the cloud computing service model. It has created the visual. On the left hand side, you get all the different categories. So if you want to change the category, you can change it from the left hand side categories menu. This is very useful because students can see the relationship clearly. You can have the abstract topics, it will become easier to understand. And as a teacher, we can save the time drawing diagrams manually. Moving to the second use case, to explain a process using the flowchart. So I have used the second use case for the process explanation. You can keep your cursor on the text and click on the generate visuals. Here, Napkin AI will convert this into the workflow or the flowchart type. Such kind of visuals are useful when we are teaching the algorithms, web application flow, business processes, or any of the system workflows. So instead of explaining everything verbally, we can simply show the flow chart or the workflow, and the students can understand the process instantly. Moving to the third use case, visual summary for some of the revisions. Now, suppose students have a very long topic and I just want to revise it before the exams quickly, remember the key points, and I just want to avoid the reading of the long paragraphs repeatedly. So, in that case, we have this third use case, that is visual summary, which can be used for the revisions. So, here I am taking an example of the functions of operating system. Here, the Napkin AI, it will generate a compact visual summary of different functions, which can be used as the effective way for the exam oriented learning. Now, moving to the fourth use case for brainstorming the project ideas. So I just want to provide some mind map for the brainstorming, which will categorize the ideas into different domains of the mini project ideas. In this way, Napkin AI, which will create the mind map of the different project ideas through which students can get the clarity of different domains which can be used with on the left hand side through the categories. We can select the mind map and it will generate different types of mind maps which can be used. Moving to the fifth use case, how to convert the lecture notes into the visual content. Suppose I have a big lecture note, which is paragraph wise, and I want to convert this into the visual. So I can paste the content in the Napkin AI. This tool will convert them into structured visuals, which can be directly used in the presentation. It can be used in class explanation, online teaching, etc. Here we can generate all the different kinds of visuals for the lecture notes. Such kind of visuals, it can save a lot of preparation time, and also it will improve the quality of the teaching material. So as we have seen the hands-on about the Napkin AI, it is a very useful tool for both teachers and students. It will help teach visually, it will learn faster, save the time, and also improve the understanding. We can convert the text into meaningful visuals, and this tool, Napkin AI, it will make learning more effective and engaging. Thank you.